Make it. For health, for precision, for them, for celebrations, for that Zen moment. But make it smarter by connecting systems with our EcoStruxure architecture and platform. It's open, interoperable, and IoT-enabled. Make it more sustainably with solutions that empower real-time decisions that maximize energy, water, and waste reduction. And make it safer with software that lets you know exactly where your products have been each step of the way. Managing complexity, ensuring quality, and improving visibility. Make it for a more agile, resilient supply chain while helping to protect the planet. Make it for the new, all-digital, all-electric world by integrating products and processes, helping you feed the industries of the future. Because whatever you're making, we'll help you make it better so you can make it for life.